My business is Resilient Living, and under that umbrella I run permaculture design workshops and permaculture related workshops, and I also do permaculture design and consultations as well, and I do that mainly in the Auckland area, but I also do it in rural areas as well. And I enjoy guiding people on their journeys to a resilient living. I run workshops where you find out the principles behind permaculture, what permaculture actually is, and how you can incorporate it into your life, and that it is so much more than just gardening. And I also run physical workshops where we build things, do construction, environmental construction. I really like the process, and I really like going on a journey with a whole lot of people that have their own reason why they turn up, whether it is doing something together with a group of people, whether it is learning something they haven't learned before, finding out how to use materials they haven't used before, learning different techniques. Something magic happens in that process where people go on their own inner journey and you all work together as a team where achieve an outcome. It's just a communal coming together of people to work towards something and experience something that they usually don't experience in their life, and that's really satisfying for them. And for me, it's actually a privilege to be part of that journey, and I love facilitating that journey as much as I can.